In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Power BI to Pipedrive API. First, sign into your Pipedrive account in your browser. Make sure you have the right permissions to access API settings. If you're part of a team, an admin may need to grant you access. Once you're in, look to the top right area of the screen and open your profile menu. This is where you'll find the personal settings you need to generate and manage your API access. From the profile menu, choose Personal Preferences. This area controls things specific to your user, including your API token. It's the safest place to manage your connection details because these settings are tied to your individual account rather than organization-wide defaults. Next, click on the API section. A quick refresher. An API or application programming interface is simply a secure way for one app to talk to another. In this case, Power BI will ask Pipedrive for data through the API. Your personal API token works like a password for that conversation, so treat it carefully. Never share it publicly, and avoid putting it in documents that others can see. On the API page, click Copy to copy your personal token. If you suspect it's been exposed, you can generate a new token here as well. Keep it somewhere secure while you set up the connection. Now open Microsoft Power BI Desktop. On the Home tab, click Get Data, then select Web. In the Web dialog, choose the Advanced option. This lets you paste the full Pipedrive API URL for the data you want to bring in. Pipedrive's documentation lists the endpoints you can use, for example, deals, organizations, or activities, and explains how to include your token as required. Paste your complete API URL, then continue. When you proceed, Power BI will reach out to Pipedrive and return a preview in the Power Query editor. If you need to clean or reshape fields, choose Transform Data. If you're ready to go, choose Load to bring the data into your model. From there, you can build visuals, apply filters, and refresh as needed. If the connection doesn't work at first, double-check that your token is valid. The URL matches the endpoint you intend to use, and your account has permission to access that data. Also be mindful of how you store the token, avoid sharing files that contain it, and consider using parameters or local credentials to keep it private. And that's it. You've connected Power BI to the Pipedrive API and can now report on your CRM data with confidence. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.